Okay, so this is actually $2 at the 99-cent store. This right here was $1. I got excited about that because of my husband. He's a meat eater, I'm a vegan, and my daughter's a vegetarian. Woo! So we have to actually eat differently in the house. Then I have 2 of these mango purees, and then this is for my daughter. It's 2 of these and pizza crust. With some shredded cheese, regular size shredded cheese. I cannot believe they have grapeseed oil at the dollar store. I use this, so I'm sorry in advance. My baby was hungry. I made her some burgers and fries. Then this right here is for my husband. These were $1. I cannot believe that. These Takis are actually $2. This right here, 18 popsicles. For $1. I couldn't believe it. And sweet potato fries. That's actually for me, you guys. I love it. Then I have pickles. I cannot believe pickles was there. Pickles was just $1. These eggs was $2, but this is for my husband. And these right here is for our smoothies. Got the little mixed fruit, portobello, mushroom fries. Never had them, but I'm gonna try them. Spinach spaghetti. This is very interesting. I've never had this before, so hopefully it tastes good. Southwestern rice. I need to try to do something different for my daughter. She eats the same rice. This right here, orange chicken. This is great, $1. I have 3 of these, but my daughter already had 2. So we was really needing groceries, you guys. Got some Jello for her. Those are her good, healthy snacks. So romaine lettuce. This is the veggie part. We got some white potato, well, yellow potatoes, red potatoes, apples. Got the apples for $2. These strawberries was $1, you guys, and I got 2 of those. And I got these little salad things I put in my husband's salad. So, favorite thing at the 99-cent only store, you guys, is these seaweeds. I used to like these right here. This one, the roasted seaweed. But then once I got to the spicy kind, I can have like 6 of these at a time. $1. They are so good. But then I also had to go to the Korean store because I needed to get this. And this big old thing was, for 100 sheets, was $10. I wouldn't eat this by itself though. But it do say roasted seaweed. But no, I make that as a meal. I make these as a binge snack time. So stay tuned for the Walmart haul. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna start with the potatoes. These 2 bags of potatoes came from my mom. She dropped them off for me. So that was free. Every time she gets some extra deals, she drop them off. Got some Texas spring water. And got a bag of Cheetos, a 12-pack for my daughter. And some Lipton tea. We got 3 of these. These were $2.19 snack cakes. My daughter is having a birthday party Friday for her birthday. That is this Saturday. This is my favorite out of everything. This helped me while I was doing my liquid fast. I love it so much. This is the Almond Breeze vegan milk. Here's another snack for my daughter, some applesauce, and I keep this. I keep applesauce, Jello. She loves it. Cabbage. I love cabbage. This big cabbage was $2. It was 42 ounces. It's really big. Then we got some Frito Pebbles for my daughter. Love these. And then I got this right here. These bag of Hawaiian bread. I love these so much, but with the vegan style, I'm gonna have to make my own from scratch. And it was on sale. This whole bag is like $5, but it was on sale for $2.57. Got some picante sauce, some red hot wing sauce, some gumbo base. I will be attempting to make some gumbo for my husband. And I actually picked this up too because I'm like, I'm not really good at making chicken. Thanks for watching.